Hi everyone, I'm Jonas from Enduristan, and today I show you how to mount our brand new add-on bags on our patented attachment pad. All of our add-on bags fit to our patented attachment pads. You find it on many of our bags and it's super easy to use. Our add-on bags give you extra storage for your ride. The Sidekicks that you see here, they are fully waterproof. They feature a red interior and they have a roll top closure with additional security. We have this G-hook. The bottle holsters, they can fit 1 or 2 bottles up to 91 millimeters in diameter. And now I show you exactly on how to mount the bags on the attachment pad. Mounting an add-on bag to your Blizzard, for example, is super easy. You just loosen the Velcro straps, go through the outside cut in the attachment pad, loop it underneath, come out on the other side like this, do the same with the other strap, loop it in, and then out on the other side, like this. And close the Velcro. And this is how you attach your add-on bag. One thing to pay attention to is the attachment pad size. For example, we have 2 by 3, 1 by 3, and this is always written on the packaging of your add-on bag. And this tells you also on which bag your add-on bag will fit. The Blizzard 2.25 is a bit bigger, so this is perfect to fit our bigger add-on bags, like for example the Sidekick 04 that you can mount on top or in the back. If you need additional water or gasoline, we recommend you the double bottle holster. So this you can also mount on top or in the back. What is important to know that the bags or the attachment pads are downward compatible, so you can also take smaller bags and put, for instance, 2 of the smaller bags wherever you want. Also, on the centerpiece we have our attachment pad. It's a 2 by 3 attachment pad, and here, for example, you can mount as well an additional bag if you have the space. Also, our tank bags have attachment pads. Here, for example, we have the Sandstorm 5.06 with an attachment pad of the size of 2 by 3. It's perfect if you want to customize your gear. Put, for example, a small bag in the middle, put 2 smaller bags, or even a double bottle holster. It's all possible and up to you on how you want to configure it. That was a quick look at our add-on bags and our attachment pad. I hope it helped you. If you still have questions, reach out to your local Enduristan dealer or send us an email. Thank you very much.